Hey, my YouTube family, I do exist. I'm back. Very exciting. Welcome back to Burgess World. Our world has been insane. We did get into our new property. You can tell by the background has changed. We bought a Fleetwood Carriage Manor 0764B double wide mobile home. It was built in 2000 on 11.2 park acres of property. And when I say park acres, I mean people took immaculate care of the property. And walking through it, it feels like you're in a park. Lovely. And also on the property, there's a cabin, a hay barn, a workshop, a 2-vehicle carport, a 5-stall farm equipment carport, and a pond. The people we brought the property from moved into an RV, so they left a lot behind. Everything for us to deal with, along with a golf cart, 2 riding mowers, 2 trailers, a tiller, and trash. So, we've had a lot to do. We've had a lot to deal with, which meant we couldn't move our things in until we dealt with their things. And that took a lot of work because the people we bought from had a lot of cats. My husband has a mild allergy to cats. Just makes his nose run continuously. So we had to deal with the cat issue in the house. But to rip out all the flooring, which was 90% carpet, we had to deal with all the furniture and stuff. There was some pieces of furniture when we went to move them, they were actually glued in place by cat pee into the carpet. So when I moved the furniture, it ripped out sections of carpet. That ought to tell you everything you need to know. But once we got all of the carpet out and an linoleum and replaced sections of subfloor and scrubbed walls and took out entire built-in cabinetry and shelves that were on either side of the fireplace and replaced that, we are now, finally, it took us 5 weeks, but we can no longer smell cat urine. Yay, 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 yay. Okay, that was a job. But we did order our floors 2 days and paid for them 2 days before, 2 days after we bought the house. We bought the house on September 18th, 2019. And on the 20th, we bought and paid for flooring. Prior to purchasing the house, the old owners did let us have flooring guys come out and do measurements on the house, and that's why we were able to kind of speed that up a little bit, because we knew they had cats and that the floors would have to be replaced. So that's been taken care of. So we've been waiting 11 weeks for flooring. I miss just floors. So we've been living on nothing but subfloors for a long time. Because Thanksgiving was coming around, and I did have my middle daughter was coming out for Thanksgiving, and my oldest son, and my middle daughter has a almost 3-year-old child. We did bring in some of our area rugs, just so he had somewhere to sit and play nice, and not on the subfloor. But still waiting for floors. They're going to start installing them on December 7th. I'm very much looking forward to that because we've been living out of the few things that we packed when we first got here because we knew we couldn't bring everything in. So, we're talking 2 pairs of jeans, 3 pairs of shorts, 3 pairs of underwear, 3 bras, 2 sweatshirts, 4 pairs of socks. That's it for me. And, my mother who lives with us and my husband, pack like the same amount. So we do laundry often. And when you're doing a lot of hard work and sweating a lot and you're changing your shirts a lot and stuff, and you do a lot of laundry all the time. I can't wait till the floors are in so I can move in all of my furniture and have like a dresser again. That'd be nice to not live out of a box. Just have normalcy. We are looking forward to normalcy. And so we've been really busy, and I wanted to let you know we didn't forget about you. We moved to the country. Internet is not easily received where we're at. Our options were HughesNet. So if it rains, forget it. I mean, it's satellite internet. It's not that good. I'm not that pleased. I don't even know how long it's going to take to upload the video. I'll find out. And I'll let you know in the next one. I did bring my camera and stuff, and I did some videoing early on when we first moved in. I went around and videoed the whole property and inside the house and everything, so you could see when we moved in. And I will have to go around again and do this is what it looks like now. We work sun up to sundown almost every day. It's hard work, but it's enjoyable. We're making a comfortable place for us, and that's what it's all about. My mother and I are thrilled because there's no more stairs. I mean, there's stairs to get into the house, but it's only like 5 or 6 stairs, and the house is all one level. So it's easier for her, being 89, and I have bad knees and back and hips and feet. And when it's really cold, it's hard for me. Our last house was 3 stories, and I was stuck on one floor majority of the time. But now I can just go anywhere in the house I want to because it's all on one level, so it's very exciting. But we will make it home. We will make it comfortable. It's just been a lot of work, and I'm sorry. I will be honest with you. Right before we moved, he got me a new laptop. I did not transfer my video editing material from my old laptop to my new laptop before we moved. Yesterday, we finally found the cord to my old laptop so I could charge it because it was completely dead. So I could, transfer my video editing. So I'm sorry. But we have been looking for it since we moved in. It's just been really difficult. We finally found it because we brought some things from storage. So we can get started with this again. So now you're going to start seeing more regular videos from me. This is kind of like a test video. So I wanted you to know I'm alive. We're moving forward. Expect new videos more frequently. I'm trying to do 1 to 2 a week, and if I don't, yell at me to do it. All your messages instantly come to my phone. Lets me know, hey, I'm due. But I wanted to let you know kind of what's been going on, and we've been very busy, and I did get some of it videotaped, and some of it I didn't. I'm sorry, you just get in the zone sometimes, but it's coming. I'm finally able to start editing and getting things up. So This is just to let you know things are coming, things are changing. Keep your eyes peeled. I'll talk to you real soon. Y'all take care of yourselves. Bye.